you as a believer. You see, most times as a believer you treat God like, yani ni kama Mungu akujui, ni kama wewe, yani kama wewe umejifitia kwake, ni kama you are somehow able to, you know, like play your cards out of him. But in real sense is God knows everything, and God desires a relationship with you why you will be truly honest, kwa sababu unajua if Habakkuk really was mtu mwenye akea, changirusha tu mkono waseme we kwenda, wacha tu iko tu vile iko, we will keep preaching, we will keep singing, we will keep doing what we are needing. But you know what faith truly is? It is still being there even when it does not make sense. Yeah, believers, please, and this I will beg you for sure, omba, be honest. See all those details you have in your heart, all those stories you keep, because even one of the things what I am really telling you to pray is, you see the way you have a conversation with your friend, mpaka mnapiga story, mnacheka, mnaanguka, that kind of no, you see God is better. You see that God sticks closer than a brother, closer than anyone. So if there's anyone you should really have a conversation and it's even better than hizo conversation unakuanga nazo na marafiki zako, it is God, man. So pray and be honest with God completely, with the things in your heart, and he will reveal to you. Go and read the book of Habakkuk yote, ni chapter 3 ama 4. It's a very nini, but it will enlighten you in your prayer life. Because back in the day in the Old Testament we see that only the priests ndio walikuwa na access to God. But when Christ Jesus died, na ile nini kakatika katikati, now everyone can go to God in prayer. And now we have a leeway. We now, yani sasa, yani we should even take this privilege, bwana. Please.